Let's make this game interesting. Let's add a proper character. Since I'm not artist myself and I don't want to spend a lot of time creating sprites and animations, I want to introduce you to Unity Asset Store. Unity Asset Store is like an online marketplace where we can find different assets for our projects. There we can find different kind of assets like characters, sprites, animations, sound effects, music, 3D models, complete systems. Some of those assets are free and others are paid. Let's try to find something interesting. Open your favorite browser, type Unity Asset Store, and open the first option that it comes up. And we are there. Type in the search field what we are looking for, select 2D to narrow your search, and select free if you don't want to pay. As you can see, there is a large choice of different assets and you need to choose the one that suits you. I already checked this one, the first one on the list, this little knight. Click on it and see more details about this asset. As you can see, this asset is actually a set of different sprites. There is a number of sprites for each move, which we can use in our project to create animations. On the right side, you can see button Open in Unity. That's because I already added this asset to my project. You should see button Add to your project. It doesn't make any difference, just click on that button and your Unity will ask you, do you want to import this to your project? Just click Import, select everything that you want to import, and import. New folder will appear in your assets folder with the content of this asset. You can see all the sprites there. I will change the name of the game object to a player, since obviously it's not going to be a ball anymore. Find the sprite that represents character idling and drag that sprite to sprite field of the game object. Rotate, scale, move our object as we learned before. There is still circle collider for this object. I will remove it and make a box collider. We covered this in previous lessons. Press play. Our character is bouncing. Okay. Since he is not a ball, let's change our physics material. Let's change the value of bounciness to 0. And we have our first character. He is a little bit bored because he cannot move, he cannot jump, he cannot do anything. In next lesson we will learn how to read input from the keyboard so we can make our character move.